Is it time to buy or sell Rocket Lab USA stock? In this video, we will delve into Rocket Lab USA. Our initial report was published on our website on the 18th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of August, 2024, our system has identified Rocket Lab USA as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.96. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 259.22% since we first designated Rocket Lab USA as a buy candidate 71 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3.65% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the upper segment of a notably broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a valuable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $19.30 would initially signify a stronger upward momentum. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 106.58% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 47.18% to 106.65%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 129.88% over the coming year, with a potential return fluctuating between negative 10.25% and 39.74%. This corresponds to a price range from $17.31 to $26.96 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Rocket Lab USA includes the headline, High Volatility in Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $19.29. The Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock price gained 1.53% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 18th of November 2024, rising from $19 to $19.29. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 10.12%, with a day low of $18.47 and a day high of $20.34. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 71.47% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 13 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares bought and sold for approximately $557,650,000. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $22.55, while the lowest price was $3.47. Currently, the price is 14.46%, or $3.26, below the 52-week high of $22.55, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Rocket Lab's stock, trading under the symbol RKLB, has recently faced significant volatility, experiencing a sharp increase followed by a swift correction within just a few days. On the 15th of November, the stock soared by more than 40% after the company reported impressive quarterly earnings and shared an optimistic outlook for new product lines. However, as the market adjusted to this surge, Rocket Lab's share price declined again after its initial rally, reflecting a broader trend within the space sector. Today, the announcement that Rocket Lab is increasing its prices was positively received by investors, This move suggests confidence in product demand and an ability to manage inflationary pressures effectively. Such a pricing strategy could enhance profit margins, thereby strengthening the company's financial position in the long term. Meanwhile, a recent trend referred to as the Trump-Elon trade has sparked renewed interest in space stocks, benefiting Rocket Lab significantly. This surge in interest has also positively impacted other companies in the sector, such as Intuitive Machines and Planet Labs. The excitement surrounding these developments could attract more investors, potentially leading to increased interest and improvements in stock prices in the short term. However, some analysts remain cautious, indicating that the valuation metrics for Rocket Lab may be stretched, particularly following the rapid rise in share price. The company's ambitious Neutron rocket project and its expanding range of services highlight its growth potential. Yet, market corrections should be anticipated as investors evaluate the inherent risks involved. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, Nov 14, 2024, it was reported that BI gave RKLB a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, Oct 23, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank gave RKLB a overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, Sept 27, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank gave RKLB a overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, Sept 12, 2024, it was reported that JMP Securities gave RKLB a market perform grade with a initialize action. On Wednesday, Aug 14, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup gave RKLB a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Rocket Lab USA stock a general strong sell rating. They have rated the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Rocket Lab USA. Today, the chart shows mostly positive signals. The stock of Rocket Lab USA Inc. is receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is observed due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. If there are corrections downward, support is anticipated at the levels of $16.78 and $11.90. A drop below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and the stock has since risen by 232.01%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It is noteworthy that volume decreased on the last trading day, even as prices rose. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 52 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 74 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 50 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 123 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 117 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rocket Lab USA. Rocket Lab USA Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $19, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility, and with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. In the previous day, the stock fluctuated $1.87 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 10.12%. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 13.02%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Rocket Lab USA, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a persistently negative PE ratio may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 25th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at negative 11 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rocket Lab USA. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Rocket Lab USA encounters its first support level at $19. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rocket Lab USA from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 19th of September, 2024, Pawson Reed Kenneth R. conducted an insider purchase of 23,421 shares of common stock. On the same day, Armagno Nina made an insider purchase of 17,998 shares of common stock. Also, on September 19th, Klein Frank purchased 1,300,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th of September, 2024, Klein Frank conducted an insider purchase of no shares of common stock. On the 26th of August, 2024, Khosla Ventures Seed B, LP, sold 152,591 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 80.524. In total, insiders purchased 7,961,209 shares and sold 116,870,880 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.73, reflecting a decrease of 2.9%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which brings a significant level of risk. The relative strength index, measured over 14 days, stands at 80, further elevating this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot low identified 51 days ago. Is Rocket Lab USA stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Rocket Lab USA Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 19th of November, we anticipate that Rocket Lab USA will open at approximately 7.67 cents and begin trading at $19.37. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.